Hello everyone, you are welcome to solve for s in this beautiful math exponential problem. 4 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power s is equal to 30. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. We have the given equation 4 raised to power s plus 2 raised to power x is equal to 30. Let us start by bringing this 30 to this side. Then we have 4 raised to power s plus 2 raised to power s minus 30 is equal to 0. But 4 is equal to 2 square. Then this can be written as 2 square all to the power of x plus 2 raised to power s minus 30 is equal to 0. Take note of this, that if you have a raised to power m to the power of n, this is equal to a raised to power n to the power of m. This is equal to a raised to power mn. Then the whole of this can be written as 2 raised to power x all square plus 2 raised to power x minus 30 is equal to 0. Let 2 raised to power x is equal to y. Now we have y square plus y minus 30 is equal to 0. Then you can see that 30 is equal to 6 multiplied by 5. Then therefore minus 30 is equal to minus 5 multiplied by 6. Now here is equal to this, and we have the coefficient of y here is plus 1. Then this is minus 5y plus 6y. This is equal to plus y. The whole of this equation can be written as y square minus 5y plus 6y minus 30 is equal to 0. This is y bracket y minus 5 plus this 6 bracket y minus 5 is equal to 0. Y minus 5 is common. We have y minus 5 bracket this y plus 6 is equal to 0. There are two cases here. The first case is y minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to 5. And the second case is y plus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to minus 6. Recall that 2 raised to power x is equal to y. Now we have 2 raised to power s is equal to 5, or 2 raised to power s is equal to minus 6. But from here, 2 raised to power s is positive here, and it's minus 6 is negative here. So this is rejected. But here, 2 raised to power s is positive, and this is 5 is positive. So this is accepted. Therefore, we have 2 raised to power s is equal to 5. Let us express this further. Let us take the log on both sides of this equation. Log 2 raised to power s is equal to log 5. Take note of this, that if you have log m raised to power n. This is equal to n log m. So this is x log 2 is equal to log 5. Let us divide the whole of this equation by log 2. This divided by log 2 and this divided by log 2. This log 2 cancel this log 2. S is equal to log 5 over log 2. And if you have log A over log B, this is equal to log A base B. S is equal to log 5 base 2. This is the final answer, or you may leave your answer in natural logarithm form. That is, from 2 raised to power s is equal to 5. Then let us take the natural log on both sides of this equation. We have ln of 2 raised to power s is equal to ln of 5. S ln of 2 is equal to ln of 5. Then let's divide this by ln of 2, and this is divided by ln of 2 because we are looking for the value of s. This ln of 2 cancel this ln of 2. X is equal to ln of 5 over ln of 2. Then this is another value of x. Then if you want to use your calculator, s is equal to 2.3219. Then let us check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. We have 2 raised to power s is equal to 5. Then this is 2 raised to power 2.3219 must be equal to 5. 2 raised to power 2.3219, this is 4.9999 must be equal to 5. This is approximately equal to 5. Therefore, the left hand side, 5 is equal to the right hand side, 5. Or we have s is equal to log 5 base 2. Let us check if this is right or wrong. To check, we have the given equation 4 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power s is equal to 30. Then this is 4 raised to power log 5 base 2 plus 2 raised to power log 5 base 2 must be equal to 30. And this can be written as 2 raised to power 2 to the power of log 5 base 2 plus 2 raised to power log 5 base 2 must be equal to 30. Now this is 2 raised to power 2 log 5 base 2 plus 2 raised to power log 5 base 2 must be equal to 30. Then this can be written as 2 raised to power log 5 square base 2 plus 2 raised to power log 5 base 2 must be equal to 30. This is 2 raised to power log 5 square, that is 25 base 2 plus 2 raised to power log 5 base 2 must be equal to 30. Now take note of this, that if you have a raised to power log b base a, according to the law of logarithm, is equal to b. So the whole of this is 25 plus the whole of this is 5 must be equal to 30. Therefore, the left hand side, 25 plus 5, this is 30, is equal to 30, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.